Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best welding carts in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best welding carts that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Klutch 2 Tiers Welding Cart. Klutch is a sub-brand of the highly popular Northern Tool Company, which has been offering all sorts of tools, machines, and various handy accessories like a welding cart. The Klutch welding cart comes at the first position of this list since you get a fairly large size from it even at the given price tag. While you may only find 2 tiers on this welding cart, you still get a lot of storage space thanks to its inbuilt safe. This welding cart is rated for 100 pounds of maximum weight capacity, which is decent. You also get 2-inch front and 6-inch rear wheels with this welding cart for allowing you to use it wherever you like. Because Klutch is a sub-brand of a highly popular brand, you also get a 1-year-long warranty for peace of mind. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cart.Kastforce 2 Tiers Welding Cart. Cart.Kastforce makes a wide range of tools and machines that are used in large heavy-duty projects and industrial usage, which includes a heavy-duty welding cart. With this Cart.Kastforce welding cart, you can expect a great experience since this is the best performing option present here. This is because it can handle up to 1,200 pounds of weight, which is much higher than others. However, you still get limited storage options due to its 2-tier design. A unique thing about this welding cart is that it also allows you to attach more things to it using its 5/8-inch threads. Being a welding cart made for heavy-duty usage, Cart.Kastforce has included a 3-year-long warranty. At number 3, we have the SSLine 3 Tiers Welding Cart. SSLine offers a wide range of home accessories and products that can be highly beneficial for all kinds of usage, including its welding cart. This welding cart from SSLine is one of the cheapest options available out there. It is made of premium metal and PVC wheels along painted finish to withstand rust and wear for long-lasting heavy-duty usage. This strong and durable cart manages to handle up to 176 pounds of weight, which is quite good to store and carry around. Since it is a 3-tier welding cart, you will get ample storage space to organize and load various tools and accessories, including a plasma cutter, arc, or MIG welding machine. Its tilted top shelf provides quick access to the tools, while there is a shelf built specially for tank storage at the rear. This welding cart has 4 PVC casters, in which 2 big rear wheels for stability and 2 front 360-degree swivel wheels for smooth movement in any direction. With all these features, this welding cart is the perfect option for both DIYers or professionals to use in workshops or home garages. At number 2, we have the 4-drawer cabinet welding cart. If you want to organize all your welding tools and supplies effortlessly, then you should take a look at this 4-drawer cabinet welding cart. This welding cart is another viable option for all those who need more storage space along with a decent weight capacity. Starting with its weight capacity, this welding cart can easily handle up to 100 pounds of weight, which is quite good. Since it has heavy-duty tough steel construction and perfect satin black powder-coated finish, you can use this cart for years to perform your work with a MIG welder or plasma cutter. However, the 4 sturdy drawers will let you load various small to medium tools or accessories as extra storage, while you can load, sort, or manage other tools onto this 2-tier welding cart. Its 6-inch rear fixed wheels and 2.5-inch flexible front wheels will offer a smooth rolling to move this cart around your workplace. Yet the main drawback is that this welding cart doesn't come with any manufacturing warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yaheetech 3 Tiers Welding Cart. While Yaheetech may be a bit new, its welding carts is still something that you should expect, especially at the given price tag. This Yaheetech welding cart comes at the third position of this article because you get a decent 176-pound carrying capacity. Unlike most other budget options, this one also includes a total of 3 tiers, making it the more versatile option. To ensure that you can still move this welding cart even at full load capacity, Yaheetech has included small wheels at the front and larger screen on the rear for smooth movement. However, what Yaheetech does lack is any form of warranty, making it slightly less reliable than others.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.